How are we all going? Been a while since we've done anything. My bad on that. It's kind of all our bad financial problems and should have kind of contributed to that. But we've all been figuring our shit out a bit lately. Unfortunately, our shed is going within a month, actually, I think. The shed.
3 weeks.
3 weeks, yeah, we gotta get rid of the shed, but we've been sorting out some more places to do stuff, so it's not been too bad. This is the diff out of my BMW. I'm just about to weld it because we're going to a rally soon, so just for fun, why not? We've also been working on Brendan's car a fair bit. I'm not too sure where the last update was up to, but throttle body's going on.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Exhaust manifold is all done. Intake manifold's all done. The fuel tank we've had sent off to be modified for the EFI. So we picked that up. We were meant to pick it up today, but it's Easter, so we forgot. He's probably got stuff going on, but yeah, so we got to go pick that up probably next weekend or during the week sometime. And then
all the major stuff done then. It'll just be plumbing up all the cooling and everything, putting all the outlets and everything on, and then just wiring, which may or may not be easy.
Yeah, we'll be able to do some stuff. I'm not sure how we'll go getting all of it done for time wise. Yeah, it'll just be the gauges and stuff will fuck with us a bit, but hopefully we'll be able to figure that out. And yeah, so Nick's been parting his Corolla out. I'm not sure what we showed in the last video or not, but that's out of Mouse's Sora. The 1J sitting over there. I'm not sure if he wants to use it or not. I don't know what he's doing. Nick's been parting this out. This front coils are out. I think Brendan might be putting them in.
Yeah, depending on how good they are, I may support them.
Okay, not sure yet, but so yeah, he's been parting this out. Not too sure where he's at with that. I haven't really been here for a lot of it. But yeah, so we'll keep you posted with what we do throughout the day with this and my diff. Probably see, because we're going to be doing it with a 130 amp gasless MIG welder, and we're just going to be welding some like 3mm mild steel plate in between the spider gears as well. So we'll see what happens, see how well it goes, and yeah, we'll keep you posted on that. So it's ugly as fuck, but all gears are like melted together, and then I welded a bit of plate on top of it. Because it's gasless, it like slags everywhere. So we're gonna have to, after we run it for a bit, change the oil out.
Yeah, for sure.
And I'm gonna have to make sure it still spins because there'll be a lot of slag stuck in that crown wheel and shit. So it's the pinion. Hopefully it's all good. I'll get it going.
As long as it doesn't break, that's the main thing.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't break. So I'll weld that hole up in the middle there, and then I'll weld it in, and then that's both sides done. It's span easy as, so definitely need an oil change, but after like a few Ks, but yeah, it's actually, hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll be alright. So a couple tacks, that hole's filled. So now I'll basically just melt all the gears to this plate just to give it a bit extra strength because it's gasless. So I did clean everything up with brake clean beforehand, but I don't have super high hopes for this, but if it lasts the rally event, I'll be happy, so. I guess driving to Wales is very pretty good stuff.
That should wear it in.
Yeah. Rally's only a few weeks away, I'm pretty sure, though, so. lot of slag you can see coming out of there. Yeah. But on a whole, it's pretty freed up. It's not super tight or anything. Could obviously be better, but
yeah. What are you gonna do?
The beam was $200, so you're not gonna go pay somebody to weld it properly. Use what we have, and she'll be right. I broke a hole in the tube, so I'm doing it the messy way.
I think it's kind of messy either way.
Yeah, she'll be right. Done.
Really damn hot, so we're just gonna hose it off a bit before it goes back in my car.
Also cleaning, so
Well, kind of
filthy.
This doesn't really look any better.
No, kind of still looks like garbage.
Oh yeah, I suppose you need a hand lifting it up there, hey? You reckon? We need 3 people. That's alright, I'm helping.
Made all the difference.
Yeah.
Diff drive shafts are in. All the mounts are done. All we need to do is tighten up the tail shaft and bolt our rear sway bar back up. And then, yeah, we'll give it a drive and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. So it runs, it drives. Before today it hasn't really driven more than like 3 meters in about a year. Oh, a bit less. 6 months.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Long time, but yeah, we're just going to find some dirt because I don't really want to stress it too much on the bitumen yet till it gets a bit of heat in it. But yeah, see what happens.
Oh, yep. Yep, that's...
Jesus, alright, so slid very easy. Fucking hell. No power.
Well, that's the next thing. Is it everything you'd hoped it'd be?
Doesn't have the power to push over stuff, but it'll do for the rally.
Oh yeah.
The walkie rally. It'll definitely do for that.
Let me just get these alpacas real quick. No, I'm not getting these fucking alpacas. Can't even see them. I just realised that yeah, it's that clutch feel. Is it gone?
Yeah. So we'll probably cut the music about here and explain something. So this is 3rd gear, and if I put my foot flat, the clutch slips
Clutch time.
pretty severely. I knew it was coming. I was hoping
It's probably out 50,000 Ks over for a new one. So
it's a clutch for one of these is about $300 for the cheapest. So I mean, I'm not looking forward to that at all. Fuck. Oh well.
shit happens.
See if I can make some shit happen on the drive back. So, yeah, female welded diff. Went well, I guess. We found out the clutch needs replaced, so that sucks dick, but it's got to be done before the rally, so we'll do it.
Yeah, better now than ever.
Yeah, don't know if we'll make a video on it. It's kind of boring, but it's a bean.
I mean, this is probably pretty boring as well, but
We haven't done anything in a while.
if anyone wants to watch it.
I need to wait for my daily to sell before I can get back into drifting properly. Yeah, anyways, if you want to see more of this piece of shit, we'll do the rally and drifty stuff.
Yeah, we'll definitely
Subscribe
do
and give it a
something
like.
when that happens, for sure.
Well, to the next one.